Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration EA22 LFK. 2022 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 EcoBlue 130 PS Limited L2 Factory Crew Cab. It has done 131,000 miles, has had one owner from new, and benefits from a cam belt replacement. The van comes with 6 seats, air conditioning, DAB radio, Bluetooth, cruise control, parking sensors, stop-start, and heated seats. This one owner from new LWB factory-fitted crew cab custom is in fantastic condition. Benefiting from a new cam belt and having covered mainly motorway miles, it's in superb condition. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.